Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video is something that's kind of exciting. I got some PR from L'Oreal. Well, I take it it's from L'Oreal because it's all L'Oreal brands that's in it, and it does have a little card. Oh wait, that's upside down. I say a little card. A big card. Basically, it is L'Oreal Luxe brands, and I actually do like affiliate stuff with a company called A1, and this is where it came from. I usually get PR stuff, but usually what happens is they get in touch with me, or companies that I am working with get in touch with me and ask me if I would be interested in making a video on something. I guess it's actually quite good because it usually means that they're not just going to send you stuff and you're just not going to use it. I mean, you see massive YouTubers or like even like Instagrammers, things like that, who just get boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff, and they probably don't even look at it, let alone don't use it. So generally they'll say, is this something that you'll be interested in? Would you like to make any content on it? Blah blah blah. You're not obligated to, but they just double check. So this is the first time that I have come home and I just had a box, which is very cool. This is the box. Oh shite. This is the box that arrived. So I'm going to take this off. Try and lift this up without throwing everything everywhere. Inside it looks like this. So yeah. It says meet your must-haves. So I take it it's just a selection of stuff that they think are must-haves for, you know, like the brands that they own, because like, well, let's face it, we know like L'Oreal own a lot of different brands. There are 5 products in this box, and I just figured that I would share them with you. The first thing that caught my eye is this YSL perfume. Is it Libre? It's a 50ml. It says Libre means free, a fragrance to feel liberated and empowered with a desire to live life to excess. A couture grand floral scent is fire in a bottle. It is fire in a bottle. I've already smelled this. I had to. This retails for 80. I'm gonna break. I'm a mess. This retails for £83, and that is for this size of bottle. It's a 50ml bottle. It's beautiful. Look at it. It's got the YSL on. There it is, the YSL kind of wrapped around the bottle. It is a eau de parfum. I do like to get eau de parfums because they tend to last a little bit longer. Ooh, and it's on sale just now on their site. So I will have everything linked in the description box for you. Everything will be through the affiliate links. You don't have to. You could just Google it. If you really didn't want to use an affiliate link, you could just Google it. But if you do use that, I get a percentage of each sale, which would be really kind of you. Okay, so if you know anything about notes, this will really help you figure out what it smells like. So your top notes are what you smell initially when you spray a perfume on. Your heart notes are what it is, I'm pretty sure, most of the day, and then your base notes are kind of what gives it its, so like a musk or a floral or anything like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that I've been told that in the past. So your top notes are mandarin oil, petite grain oil, lavandine fragrance oil, and black currant accord. Smells amazing. Heart notes are lavender oil, jasmine sambac absolute, jasmine grandiflorum, India absolute, and orange flower absolute. So it's like a florally fruity fragrance. It's kind of really hard to explain. But your base notes are vanilla extract, Madagascar, cedarwood oil, and ambergris accord. Musks. I don't know what musks is, but I like a very kind of musky, like deep scent. So the vanilla and cedarwood is what is making me like it. But it just smells, expensive. If that makes any sense. It's not like an old lady expensive scent, but I've just discovered that I absolutely love Miss Dior. So nice, and that was a treat that I got on holiday. But that, oh, is like amazing, amazeballs. Obviously it's expensive. Perfume as a whole has gotten insanely expensive, so I'll say that. Right, okay, the next thing we have is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin and glacial glycoprotein? Glycoprotein? I don't know what glycoprotein is. It's £29. This is a 50ml tub. It says it's super hydrating and nourishing for the skin, yet has a lightweight texture, weightless finish. It can be enjoyed by men and women with all different skin types and truly universal must have. I've had this before in a much smaller size sample. That took me like a minute and a half to think of that word. And I really liked it. So, but I've never got it again for some reason. It was just something, I don't know. I'm a wee bit funny like that. I stick to ones that I tend to know. It's fully sealed and that, so I'll be able to hang on to this for a wee while. I'm currently using the banana moisturiser from Jeffree Star. I really like it. My skin has cleared up an insane amount. I don't know if it's that or other things, but I love it. So I'm not going to mess around too much just now, but I think that I might make this my night moisturiser maybe every second night or something like that. But I did really like it before, so I know that it's good. Oh, I should have left my eyelashes off and tried this. Actually, no. I kind of want to keep this. So this is the Lancome Lash Idol mascara. So it says 95% so instant lift, 95% fanned out lashes, I do like that, and 90% clump free, so if you like clumpy lashes this isn't for you. That's what the brush looks like. So it's £24, so it's not a cheapie, that's why I'm not going to open it, but it's lash lifting volumizing mascara. It is volumizing, lengthening, coats even the smallest lashes, blah blah blah. I really like the wand on it, so I think that'll be really good for like lower lashes as well. That was really cool. This is a goodie, and I actually love that they've sent it in a smaller size because I need a smaller size. I have the grown-up one. So I have this in my kit. Oh no, look, I do have a small one. Yep, same size. I have that. I have it in my kit. I use it on my clients, and it is just, it's probably the best setting spray on the planet. It's the only one that actually makes your makeup last longer and keeps it looking really nice. I like having a little mini one because I like to take it out with me because I am dry. Why is my nose so itchy? I am dry, so I like to have something just to sort of like bring my skin back to life when I start to look a wee bit decrepit during the night. And we have one last product, and it is an Urban Decay one again. I should have said that is the travel size and it's £12. Okay, so we're on the last thing, and this is an Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow. It's the ultimate finishing shadow. These single eyeshadows can be layered onto your favourite base or pencil as a finishing wash of glitter, or wear alone for a transparent sparkle. Alright, okay, so this is £18. It's a single eyeshadow called Moondust. This is in the shade Phased. Oh my god, right. We're getting there. So it's 24/7 eyeshadow. It looks like that. It's actually quite cute. It's just in a clear little compact. Oh, okay. I'm confused. It says Moondust. It looks like it should be shimmery. But I don't know, does that look shimmery to you? Right. It looks like there's maybe a couple of different things that were put in this. This is not Moondust. I'm so confused. Okay, so this is just an eyeshadow. It's just a single eyeshadow. So on the PR note, it says that it is Moondust. Moondust eyeshadow, so it's a finishing eyeshadow, so it was kind of like a sparkly one. In looking at the packaging, it looks like this is just an eyeshadow. So it's vegan, it is just 24/7 eyeshadow. It comes with a mind-blowing range of our favourite colours and finishes. This vegan formula has a dash of caffeine to give your eye look that extra little jolt of energy. I don't know what caffeine would do in eyeshadow, but it has it in it. Anyway, this is in the shade Phased, which is a kind of really bronzy, like orangey bronzer kind of shade. Like a lot of, like a 90s bronzer really, isn't it? It's like a brown orange. It's a nice shade, don't get me wrong, those are the kind of shades that I like, but it's just in a little single like that, so that's pretty cool. So, I mean, that's nice. Don't have anything bad to say about that. And they're £18, I think. The shimmery one is anyway, so I would imagine that one is the same. So yeah, I will link all of the things in the description box below for you, and you can go and have a look. I love that perfume. Oh my god, that perfume just smells amazing. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because, yeah, that was kind of cool. Like, I just came home and I was like, I haven't ordered anything. Where has this come from? So thank you, L'Oreal, for sending that over. And yeah, feel free to send anything else my way. I will be happy to try anything. I obviously love. I liked it, I'm pretty sure I remember. I love, and if you're looking for a new perfume and you like the kind of scent that this is, so it's kind of earthy but not too heavy, if that makes any sense, go and smell this. You will probably fall in love with it. And yeah, I'm going to incorporate that into my next look. I wonder if I would go with that. If you want to see this look, obviously, I think it'll be on a short, so I'll probably link it up there for you. Or you can have a look at my TikTok. Don't forget to follow me over there too. I'm in the middle of basically doing videos of all of my trainers, so if you have an interest in trainers at all, definitely go and check it out. But I think that is pretty much it for this video. Obviously, if you enjoyed, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!